Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lex, and this week's video will be a recap of my trip to Europe that I took this past summer. Now, I'm splitting up the videos of the technically four countries that I visited, that being Italy, Austria, and the Czech Republic. So today I'll be looking at the Italy section of that trip. For those who are new to the channel, my dad is Italian and my mom is Czech, so my sister, my dad, and I went to both home countries for a few days each. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more of my content, then please subscribe to Sweet Histortea, a channel full of random facts, lots of sparkles, and tons more videos to come in the future. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time, bye-bye!
There's a part of myself that I'm missing. Now I got a lot to learn.